Subscribe to my channel to see the latest unboxing videos to your mobile.
Here is a package from Flipkart. Let's quickly open it. This is a 2018 model. You can still use it in 2022 for studying purposes. Okay, here is the package and invoice. Okay, the yellow color box, tab A written on the front, and the specifications and MRP written side. Here it is, the cinematic view. There is 3GB and 32GB memory variant. Okay, now let's cut the seal. You have cut it. Now let's open it. First, the tab itself with cotton wrap. Okay, here is a quick start guide and a C measuring tool. Okay, here is a type C cable and the 15-watt charger, fast charging, adaptive fast charging. Okay, and nothing else. Now let's move to the tab. There is a cotton wrap. Let's open it. Wow, good looking. This is a tab. Okay, matte finish, black color. At the back, the 8 megapixel camera and flashlight and the matte finish body. Okay, at the side, SIM tray and memory card holder and the volume rockers and power button. At the side, the pin is provided for using the accessories like keyboard, etc. The speaker grills and Type-C port. At the bottom, at the top, 2 speaker grills and noise cancellation mic with 3.5 audio jack and 5 megapixel front camera and 10.1 inch TFT display. Now let's go to the tab. Let's start it. Okay, here is a quick start guide, so you can fast forward at that 1.5x. okay, now all set. The One UI display. Here is a recent tab and here is the home screen. Here is the notifications. Okay, now let's check the Android version. What is inside it? The Android Pie. Okay, now here is the storage, as you can see here, and the well optimized One UI. Here is the RAM users. Okay, 1.7GB is using, sorry, free. Okay, now let's test some music, non-copyright music. Okay, on YouTube, because it supports Dolby Atmos. Okay, with stereo speaker, as you can see here. As Dolby Atmos is supported, the quad speaker is provided. You can use for watching movies. Okay, now let's move to the camera. The basic settings and the features is given because it is a budget segment tab. Okay, like panorama, etc, etc. Okay, here is the shots I have taken in this tab. Okay, here is some shots like this and some selfies. Okay, you can see here. So thanks for watching. Hope you enjoy it. Okay, so subscribe my video and like my video. Okay, bye.